Concrete has been a hot trend for some time now, and it shows no sign of cooling off. People are turning to concrete over other natural stones for everything, from kitchen counters and flooring to dining room furniture. If you are currently shopping for a new dining room table, here are some of the pros and cons of concrete dining room tables. There is no question dining room tables take a beating. From hot dishes and drinks to spills and scratching, it can be difficult to keep them looking like new. However, concrete dining room tables are extremely durable. They are sturdy, strong, and heat and scratch resistant, which means they will last for years with little wear and tear. Cement dining room sets are also very easy to clean because they are water resistant, unlike other common dining room table materials such as wood. Concrete dining room tables can be wiped down with mild soap and water, and doing so regularly will help ensure your table stays in excellent shape. If your home has a modern aesthetic, concrete tables are ideal. They easily complement sleek, contemporary dining rooms, whether they have an industrial chic vibe or more of a mid-century look. Concrete is not without its flaws, though there are few. One con is the fact that the material is porous. This means that it can easily absorb liquid and needs to be sealed immediately after purchase and resealed every 1 to 3 years. Sealant can be damaged by extreme heat, sharp knives, and harsh cleaners, so it's also important to stay on top of your sealant schedule. Concrete's use as furniture is relatively new. Only a few decades ago, concrete furniture would have been laughable as a concept. But you look at modern houses nowadays, and it won't be at all a surprise to see household sports a stylish new concrete dining table. As a whole, concrete's versatility as a building material is unquestionable. Concrete has been used as early as 4,000 years ago in older civilizations like Rome and even the Mesopotamian empires. As such, its viability as a building material is time-tested and has been refined over the millennia. The various applications and the sheer versatility of concrete have produced many not-so-conventional uses for the material. Concrete can be used in furniture, yes, but also for sculptures and other artistic media. Centuries of refinement and development resulted in various effective concrete molding and seating methodologies. To really understand the characteristics of the material, let's take a brief look at the basics of concrete. Concrete is generally made of two main parts: the cement and the aggregate. The cement, which functions as the main binder or paste of concrete, has a consistency, stability, and structural integrity that is dictated by the amount of water that is mixed into it. Thanks for watching, until next time!